gundi vayo family muntu
Ana tarinje. Ana ya ramama la gar. Awe abun kere.
RDC as we are in this meeting, we will go to the other meeting. So for in your mataka, you again if the hall is enough, you go okay. Yeah?
Let's raise up for Sana. Let's raise up for the anthems.
Tokubalinga kandi twinda na directive ya president akemereza massive evictions. Rwanda DC must note that president akemereza massive evictions. Mamuri yahitaka mwinevanja byanyu mwinamazu ganyu unless mwayitegerezana na mukama witaka kabashashura takubalinga.
Agenda protecting abantu akachikora.
Tika chura gani. tokachuraga chikama mu Uganda yona
tindachetegereze ninjira tikachuraga
kale ati abataka babweju muliyo ati kama gambire constitution ya 1995 ne protecting abibanja to work with the rich people to harass you and arrest you and take you to court. Omwana bakamusiba ebiro 9 mu nkomo abokubanira ekyabo ekyalo n'abalamuzi tebali fair. Werezo mzee Adam.
Of what happened in Waimbabari, they all know. Nowhere the chairman were a group for how many years? 2000 before Museveni came to power. Still now remains the chairman of that group. What was presented to you on the paper needs to be put in a way. I can hardly know how we can describe it. This man called the good man, the RDC, knows what happened on the ground. Went there several times to chase and tell those people to open boundaries because we have a rally title, which was given to us by the Uganda Land Commission. And his offer confirmed. To our surprise, they can't imagine. My people, I have a group since then of how many people? Guruman can tell you. We have been touring here and there, every now and then. As this one, the council has told you, we have been under arrest several times. When I was minister, it was one day on the 4th, on a Saturday mass, presenting our title before the RDC, given to us by the Uganda Land Commission, confirmed without a certificate. Before you there. Now, what happened? Me being the chairman, I was picked so abruptly by a certain group from Kampala. The RDC, this woman, what are they doing anyway? I can't explain. After the RDC's meeting at the road, you call it the Kabangari. From Mbarara, picked me from here and was driven from here to Mbarara on 44 hours. No minutes. 44 minutes. Taken to prison on force. Detained by the area. No. This is the state staff surveyor who verified, knowing that from the ground area alone belong to the residents, as you have told. Where we are,
and someone comes, he makes a title on your land, and he chases you to go away, and we have RDC, and RDC sides with them.
That one knows what is on the ground.
Let him come and tell us.
The good man knows exactly what is on the ground.
Tell us, RDC, what is on the ground.
Honorable Minister, actually they are telling you, for me I was on their side. I didn't side with the other one.
So you have been siding with them?
Yes.
And then your senior RDC was siding with the rich man? That is the truth. No, the good thing, the boss is here. The boss of the RDC is that one. So I expect you have Kano to write to the minister and inform the minister that the RDC put in Buweju, who's meant to protect the poor people, she's siding with the rich people to evict the church and school.
Honorable Minister, the current RDC does not know. Actually, for me, I've been here.
But she's the new RDC.
Yes.
So is that RDC?
The former RDC.
It's called who?
Lawangela Nicholas.
Wherever he is from Tamale.
Now, Honorable Minister, this group, it is the same piece of land where you say we should write. So we are going to handle it. I can promise you.
So, abataka bekyalo ekyo mukumbura batagaruka mukuba binga itaka. Batagaruka mukola ki? Chache chingule, esomero chingule, communities zikule. Wanawana agoza government kumusasula andikire government asaba Uganda Land Commission emukompensating. Bate bakuja compensating omufere.
asking our prayers, Minister. The whole mile, Sawangu, but here is the Oga, approach situation and government is Yame, but here is the Oga, which I'm protected. I will come see and number Leona.
Omushiija abantu ambali bali basigalewo baitu ambali atali bantu akozesewo akabagamba nyina murugewo ati ngenda kusaba Dean of RDC Wankole aguma akyalo mukole meeting nogo musajja bamweta akyalo then you make
now
when deputy RDC deputy RDC full RDC Dean of RDC, RPC, DPC, DISO, bona bakore meeting akyali ekyo bagambo go mugaiga abantu benganyire barugewo.
Very many people are not above the law. Very many people are not very much evicted without nothing.
Jose, don't worry.
Nemwe babembamuyaho emitwaro nka 20, 15, 30 umurko gwa Rusambya kandi utakabaza kwakituga abiyata kutunga sente za PDM. Ecya kabiri isi yakizayo ngwa Rusara waka gutorwo niwe yakubepiki tukujivuke kazombomo ati ninyeraye uze engineer wakaramba ngwa Rusara wawa ningana berakwiza kugaruka mu Rusara minister mwenu utuyambe itwa soku tukubona nonga kandi tutwire bugambe
Deputy RDC mazima yagira tujya mu weekend konka urwo kubanzaniza kora abayenderebe kandi njengande nangwa kiyabe nakora yagambira na chairman 5 yamujya tuyabangutezi ahwiza batambashara ku omazima gudmana karabayo yaror gutorwe yaragira tawno kraka bazoche ngor gutorwe baragarkemu pasteke maram first class mwenye kureba mazima no kwata miliyoni shanje n'emitwaro 32 okazudu bayidingo mu kilomita mukaga okashanga buri kilomita netwara miliyoni 11 n'emitwaro shanje baror gutorwe bwana minister cyanje nakuramuze nguteza zumu urukora ba district headquarters harukora kwa RDC offices harukora kwa chairman misho harukora na hali ya polisi enguto zona zirabantu ncoto betendire ngabazoboneze kandi zigero uteka n'abantu barebe muri icyo twine nguto none konka bakakora kintu kwata nguto bakakora bush clearing bakakwata kamaramu motoka kashike n'undi mukaga ninge tano rero bakagira bati ngo batatera kakahwero mwitaka tera tubatubiya ngo batwora nguto rero minister nyendo y'umusi engineer atusoborere mazima miliyoni shanje n'itwara 3 shime kwanza kwa urgutorwe utari ngo yatagambye so nebyo nyowito twatu no sasa kwatene ngenguto
ogambire ki bakabasandezenga
bakakwata miliyoni shanje n'itwara 3
bakora bata
bakora kilomita mukaga zo guto bakugira ngo bagu expandinga baragurating barshaping
bakakora
bakagura bush clearing batambuka mukamara mukatunga
engineering
reba kweno yenda tuzero rebe mweno
orugudo ruri haya
reba nduru kushuma na rwo
tugambi
6 kilometers, how much is that? Surely, imagine 120 million. Kokabona depo, bakampa million in charge. Kukuretinga kashepinga kilometers mukaga na tamuna 8 lines of 600 millimeter culvert. Ezenguto, we can take an example. Look at one of them is here. Sincerely, the road is 6 meters wide. It is a 100 millimeter of gravel. I said the only difference I did I did not buy gravel from a procurement office. I did pass through procurement because it will calculate the rate. What I did, I got some little money. I got a stakeholder who has maram within the road, and I excavated there. But really, I worked on 6 kilometers, and I was actually supposed to gravel only 5, but shape and grade all the 6. and put and all that I did, and actually you can ask other councillors or LSK for that.
It's okay.
Gozana na jumazi huwe kai verete impereza odema sta umyaje kora ni mshushorechi. E problem ya ine debi aruko government. Kongecha amuremere ndochimentation. Where kuna ina azikoli sebiyanji. Sebo ndwaru mkoti mshushorechi.
Ali chairman kama kubuze. Wewe kwa ya local government amafuta diwo gatabara.
Problem mweje yari yona kugambira akonyonyisha kaduwa wa mashita. Hatinda shanga heavy in the popura. And that's the reason why we removed fuel there. Awaho Kapurna Chimanya Amashita Unaibokan Nukuisha Kuba chairman Ngasambum budget ya chairman Bamuhi Armushiri in the million Dwara Namwin. Can you run a district? A million Dwara Namwin. So Hatahu Kawaya Viraru ya yeta kuragana naaba ya tuhereza ki amujatu kumoyereze chairman amashita a movie obwire kubwa kikire yayinda kumanya akubanya wowe na hatinya namashita nabajya chairman wene miliyoni ibira share nizo zawo za kota zayuzunywa ibyo kushashura tinye ndukugera ki ndukushashura so hata kama agama banjage ngamujera ngo agakwata gatwaro akawo kandi yewe yakana nyiri namfayini injira koga problem hate yayine yowaza kumbera w'amazima ibintu yowije kubibara umuriyeze sente zo kugamba because I remember I sat with the cow, this cow na kurwanaho ombere bugwire bagere sente zibako koga amashita kagamba gari yagar mubadi kagar mubayi gora kagar yago ushumana n'ibituri district ya jamte kubasa wajerachi ukashashura sona yo minister na nyanka kuru agenda zo mu district arete documentation kawaria ndia RDCR ni worohoni yo minister aruko government tumushafiri
kanire kana bakasai kubanga ni kubaraka individual. Yes, because you say even if zero ziyao then enshongeli jogana minister ba neya former dika wajenzere nawe ke the same issue haza galia mastaga works up kuyaganiye twamatwarankai omukota ifa twamukwasa CID ogume nawe then tuje tukorechi nka company tujuzemo ntaka Gerard kunyitaka showiri dika wakaya kwa seroko chibira akije mushija correct council we yamuhireyo ndukushobora so now gana minister Baram
kandi akora horiya minister oyijo utaterendu akuba ko karfura aka ago kwiteka karambura ubwo unabenyizira akashanga bakondekere 2021
bakakombe kariyari
akwara yari yaje kushubura
omani bakakombe kariyari ati muzei bakakombe kariyari bazo makazinda muzei akakati bakakombe kariyari
kandi abo kutangwa abantu ko mutoki njaba bona bali abona n'abashuma b'enguzi nengi no bantu ko mutoki no mutayo ko iraba afenyama ebunu ate izo twashitunga
so bakube mbuzi zanyu
mbuzi zanyu za PTM
zona baziri sorry
abona abantu ari ko mutoki bwo
ate mpono okasubura sende zenga buli mpono kajibura zenga
kandi kuzile mitwaro munana empunibi zile mitwaro 16 na Abrahama bazi na Abrahama silage chachomanizi
ati bakaziba
zabe mukaka
bakaziba
kwisha
ati genda zikugulira genda zikugulira olumwe mitwaro
akari yakwitwa obulungi bwa muzeyi yahereza gavumenti bateche ekisheki cy'orukureba netunguka konka nkutangaza omuntu tabonekera aka witu waha na chairman atwiredeho kuyaguzire hariya no mwami Kaganzi ahanyimike yo kumuguzi ije yaguza chairman ogo kuyamugurize chairman yatahirita karyitwa istari atatushabire na taunkiraka yateka morukuto
atakakuvuze oli kuwagurize kile kibanja okapomwerera omwanda ina omwanda
omuhanda nuko
nikogo kukumutwala
yes era n'omundagano kirumu n'endagano kinaha
atiyama na izeri ya saromana mwitaka lyawe
obuguruho yija yateka mwitaka yija yateka morukuto arukushenda emiti rukuzowe n'obutwakurutaha
atabasabe
kakashita magana family ya maso
chairman ijo kigarukemu
Ameno, honorable minister, I want to itaka kurujuriti real. Kokamene chokanche bi. Honorable minister, I was here as a councillor, not even a chairman. That's when we created that road. Nkabachere nkombi kumi na munana ba twakastamo mutwaja mutamu kansone enda streets. Twataho street eji okwambuka kuzakazo. Twataho street erukurga hariya koti kutemba. Twataho street ya hari. Twataho street ya Bamuyaga road. Kuni izire ndi chairman. Na shumo kwivi. Kaganzi ya mzee chibanzo. Nkashangor kuto barjena kuredinga ruski. Konga kabandu koma. Hari ya ife. Ageti yanje. Program yabire honenji. Oruguto rukaryo ko kwambuka kurugaha. Rukaza ahakerezia. Abantu bayanga hati yo kunizire kunaguzoroku oruguto rwabo ruho na konvinsinga bekerezia n'abajantu barunjumwe oruguto n'endunguka mwenu mureke munchirizo oruguto ndiyo nintaho plani yo kutwara ishomero ryanyu kuruto mu government oruguto rwambuke hata oruguto honaribu twatahone sente za government habyariho umujera n'abate twatahona carvats empangu oruguto rwayambuka hati ishomero eryo turutira mu government ishomero ndizakerezia ndizakanisa aka aha ayishomero bano mushamukuru imwe abari yabo kundeyo ona yode wenseji yo nkikikuriri oshu isi oruguto musha ababa naurana bajonga rweta de road tinye na rwese kuna bendi yawo yija town crack yaje echera joro chiruho Banyang to marking the street zone is regular town car.
Tukawa biro makumi asatu munne ni street zone.
Yes.
Biro makumi asatu.
Yes.
Zona zinakuwa na mababa.
Bazireta kuyizerera akabazochere kozi yagera text kwenda ku appreciatinga no kugera ngo mutubetine hotel ya mani. Bona bamene stade yo nyombeke hotel abantu bona kubijo mu kahati aboyini. Bona bagaraka yo ne sente bastwara bararambara. Nuwe workshop bagaruka naja ndombu sente bwanje buke reka nyombekera abantu hotero ku bateriyo sauna atayo steam
anzo mwerezo gwanga against the district chairman and the top leaders. I now request State House Anti-Corruption, DPP, CID, IGG and the Director General of Internal Security Organization to conduct an audit of 5 billion the last 5 years, that where we have spent $1 billion for maintaining of roads in Bueju. We need an audit of the funds released. Number 8, extortion and sale of jobs. It's widely known that recruitment in public service in the Bueju district is commercialized through an organized pay for job scheme. Job seekers are required to pay money to secure employment, while those who cannot afford cash payment are given loans, also known as kafuna, by the money lender who acts as a middleman between the job seekers and the service commission. This money lender is a senior education assistant and caretaker head teacher in one of the district primary schools. And his involvement in the sale of job is widely known by many people in the district. Some individuals who obtained employment promotions after making payments are willing to testify. There are people here, and I've seen some 2 girls here, to provide information to the investigators. That's the reason why I came with the investigators. These allegations warrant a thorough and independent investigation by the relevant anti-corruption agencies to establish the truth, identify all persons involved, protect witnesses, and ensure that anyone found culpable is held accountable in accordance with the law. The copy of bank statement where one officer was asked to pay 25 million but tricked money lender to accept a partial payment of 80 million. And the transaction was done electronically to Gilbert A.K. Kagogoso, salary bank account 3203 41 96 840. Almost all the recent recruited staff don't have their ATM cards. Their cards are with the money lender. And we are going to get the footage from Salary Bank ATM machines to confirm that these people have been withdrawing money from ATM, using ATM from the people they gave jobs till when they complete the payment. I just want to confirm amongst you here, are there people who handed your ATMs to money lender? Stand up. Statement. Complaint against Buweju District Local Government and Buweju Sub-County and Ruenjwe Sub-County for failure to pay the outstanding Uganda shilling bill of 30 million for a donated building. I, Mukama Frank, former LC3 chairperson, submit this complaint seeking your intervention regarding the failure of Buweju District Local Government and the Buenje Sub-County to pay me the outstanding Uganda shilling 30 million arising from building that I constructed and donated to Buweju Sub-County. In an effort to support service delivery within Ruenje Sub-County, I've voluntarily offered to donate a dam cost level to the Sub-County in 2022. At the time of the office, the district authority refused to accept the donation since no acceptance had been communicated. I continue investing my own money on the building, including roofing, doors, and doors, thereby increasing its value. After additional works had been done, the district authority eventually accepted my offer. Buweju District Local Government sent the district engineer to inspect and value the building. Upon submission of a report to CAO, I was asked to submit all the necessary documents to the Chief Administrative Officer for payment. Since the district had received 50 million from Ministry of Local Government at the start as startup funds for Ruenju, it was agreed in a meeting between me, CAO, and the sub-county chief to pay 30 million for works that had already been done and 20 million to finish up with the remaining work, i.e. plastering, shuttering, painting, working on the interior floor. It was also agreed that Ruenje Sub-County formally issued a letter accepting donation to meet my family for my approval after the CAO would convene all the relevant stakeholders. However, instead of honoring the agreed arrangement, 1 month later, the Sub-County chief paid me only 20 million for the works that were going on, plastering and shuttering, painting, cement floor, leaving an outstanding balance of 30 million I used before the district accepted the offer. I accept the partial payment in good faith and immediately used the money to settle the cost of construction works, all of which had been undertaken under supervision of the district engineer. Despite numerous follow-up and reminder of Buweju District Local Government, the remaining balance of 30 million has never been paid. This continued the refusal to settle my debt has caused me financial hardship and undermining my goodwill in supporting government service delivery. When I filed a complaint to the CAO, instead of helping me, he transferred the sub-county chief to another station. Honorable Minister, I request you to intervene in this matter and direct the CAO and the sub-county to pay the outstanding 30 million without further delay. Thank you, Minister, for considering Buweju District. Best wishes, Mukama Frank, NRM Vice Chairperson, Boise District. That is a to that man of the sub-county. Where is that man? Despite him, he was advised, he paid. The man received 20 million. I have a letter he wrote to me and I received that letter. You paid him 20 million. Where is the MP? MP, read for me the letter that I got in the morning. Give me those letters. The vice chairman of NRM. Muzeija. So you will amend this. Pending further, you let him first of all send off those ones. The PS will send a communication to him. Then afterwards, now we can deal with his. But I'm not going to close my eye for anybody. Oh? Sub-county chief, you're the sub-county chief. But you're a new one. You don't know about that money. That man cannot be lying. He wrote a letter to me. I can't even read that letter. Let me read for you the letter.
Ayelekeniye kubana semuzi kugira ngo nsiyiteke kabasa kubachi niba shawo nguni mama kwa district ni wo kaya ni wo kwa ngoro EPC police na prisons na byo muruga hanguzi tubase kora nsiyiteke ebase kubachi na nebyo tikumanya kabe nziza ko kwanjura ko kana ninjira mu twaro mugisha kugira ngo na minister ngwanjure akaho member wa parliament ayahumuye Omamuna leo Ephraim Belaro una jiyo mji. So na wali aha aliyumba tawa ningana wakati. Kwa naona kanda iziro muntebe ninja kwanzo rezu ya wejuni tukuru nkabisha. Ebi teka ngwatwa na president. Imena amanya konkawa mwizia na byaka kwa. Echoko baza. Honorable minister echkusha sabantu babuweza. Enzare ibi nabo kureba. Vineza na yorubuto rwa Boras. Honorable wande bero parliament ni Lugambaho, nahandishire president, nahandishire ba minister ba works, orubuto rwa Bwizubera, Nyakambo, Nsika, Nyakashaka, Nyakabirizi, Wize Spa, Ekuzaka Abohe, Elize Kazachambra, president akaruraganisa 10 omuntu wo kwanza 1985 yaha speech yagira ati twamara kumara taro ubakana sindika basirikare bakurwa kuza kwata Kampala ati tuzakutandikira buntu bucyo nyabushozi na ubweju aha wokuba niyo myanya yabirero kubimunonga mu Western Uganda at least abantu bafunde umugisha buntu bucyo yafunire orukuto nyabushozi rwararemo konka bweju up to now kandi president ahandikire na rajida abantu n'ishuko aksemurundi kebi amahereza directive konka kutoka tubakwizire mbere ni kusaba ngombi tubukuru byone mu atware orebye bwa muherezo gutu kandi honorable minister president agiziremo economy na indagwajikuze ajihe aje kuzo mchweki kubikiye na bakubiyana ajihe hata ituri bilioni nkaga na mwende ya dola onkumiro na bakubiyana zafika tubetafunde bilioni 5 za dola mihango konke ejende rweruho ebyo kutekwa kubayi tumutekwa kwa n'abantu bashomere abantu bine skili kandi abantu bakuriye binamagara ekiro kumanyisi ngwecho nitenda amashomero wahura chairman yashika tuinde korido ekwatana n'ishiro y'amagombo rasha shahenda burere revenge parishomero na mwezi ya secondary school kandi mbatana n'ishiro nchimanyisa twasitazire amashomero kwe echange cyo tuba twachiko meetinga tuyikonere ilitrase chimanyisa abantu bokwe tubakuza kushoma kandi chimanyisa mwenji economy tuzamu bo tubakuzamu omuntu bwejeje twite technical school kandi twenda abantu ba skilled twaza kukora ikintu cyo kweta science technology and innovation echumwe team anga chipanga ni economy je tuzamu mwenga omukeya twafuna omwanya okubasa kuza technical school kokagenda kumanyisa honorable minister n'amazire kwandikira minister of education abitebyo nitegatika mu university iraka nziza gukorwa iki ekyakandi twagira muntu etanga abantu bahuriye twaza kuzomu economy yote kukwina amani tubazira mu agriculture industrialization yote ko pingaje kandi ibintu bikazomu factory no bakuza gukora factory y'amani bena amarwaro omurwezomu niko spine district hospital health center fencer yaha ne injura so tusaba ngo twasabye twahandikire ko kandi tusaba muni wote yira keyo eliyo kugira ngo ubwejeje ebase kufuna district hospital kandi twine na health center free yengazo tusaba ngo naye base kwa health center for ya constituency ya Bwezi tukaleka tusaba Munyakara Town Council na
hosted at Bihanga Health Center 3. It is organization of expressing my feelings. I'm also a human being. I have been tortured through an improvement that I got a promotion 2025. It's the change in age. Kuna hakunira promotion as assistant nursing officer whereby mbere nikora bukweju for 10 years. Now first okushashira 25 million. Ehina shire kazumba kahibanje n'abanyabusare bakafodinga kumpereza miliyoni 10 account. Through that process manene ndogo tunamaso twinombozi Gilbert kamuhereza miliyoni 8 ndi kukozesa account yanje ndi transferring his account nyowe nyomwazyo echandeka I'm not safe of that appointment they gave me mbile ndiyo mbitero ndiyo ni conducting a delivery now for an agent and intimidating because nine evidence nyinshi ezibabire ni bansengikira ahamoro mu gwanje right now honorable nibaza kuba ntari safe where I'm working as a midwife in Chimane kukora day and night shift kuna ahiye chuno mshijogwe ahadutere muyanje babire ndabamwita Ozia nikogwa introducing his names nguyatuma umuntu ugakweta Gilbert Twinombozi ngo akampora miliyoni 25 ngo kanare mwakuzishashura namugira Ozia ningurebo ryo mushija mukuru kandi no basa kuboyina abana mfanye ntikanye umwana muto na nomoro mugunyine noteka ngo miliyoni 25 ngo mushija kana azimpa nguzite nimanya procedure zo mukiyana za acquiring loan ndikunda abeza sente yazwasiro mungara kazimba etina biriniza kusikweza chitwari nyine other evidences na intimidation messages ezikabire ne bansindikira naturally today I have to come and testify for the people who have been promoted over given jobs and our lives have been on list within the district and yet we have been serving this nation for long.
Igenta sabireyongera mamani kandi nitwe nk'abahingi tuganyigwemu tugire cyangwa munonge kitwayebekira umushaho cyo kutubisaho na no mukushomesa abana bitu amazina ganje baranyeta tumwebaze Moses kandi nye manager wa Nyakishuri Coffee Factory icyo kintu kisingiro kushasha nambwe nuko mubwiro ubu n'ikwatirina na transformer ya marameze mukaga fire kandi tutakayambira so turamanya ishongejo sigweki zo company yitu ya government ya UDCR tene transformer ziramara ni konkati twamara almost nkamezi mukaga gari serious kandi tarakora kuri ahubwo hariho n'emwe babiri baresire rwagataha konka nayo yawe yeno hati tukatambuza mirimo y'itukurungi ya factory kandi nk'abashubuzi niho turihe cyo kurya n'abahingi bakabenefitingiraho n'abakozi nene ibyo nayo nicyarenze yemwe twine nkahati kandi mpamvu ikindi enkuto ikikwateye n'enkuto nko bwire bw'enjura enkuto zirazirakenera imotoka mpango zeganya kurija kunuya bw'enkuto mbi wenda teka baterereza n'umuce enkuto nacyo kirabasa kumisha kugira iki cyakuyamba amatiko tubwine abo kwa government yaraguma eratukurumisinga ukukorera kuruka umuntu akweza amasiko twine ningi abo kuba president akayaja ngo yaza kutandika kurocinga ngo mutegereze ngo aje rocinga atandika kore urukuto rwempaho rero imirimo yitu eryo bushuzi eryo buhingi ibone kutambura kurunji mononga abo kwa bweju neseri n'ibintu byingi efeza umwani amwe n'amajani kandi yo nabira tutahibito nk'abanyabuweju rero nkabire ndashaba umurye cyo kugira ngo government kiteke mamane kintu cyo kutereza urukuto kituyambe mononga
natanga gukora bayandi batazinga upareta natayo haniko byanje bampereza mu bampereza appointment nyine benati nyine na posting kulabere ngora chairman ubu na district engineer baleta umusayi kama isakinta kumanya baleta accountability ngomba kore accountability nashanga amasaka y'police umuntu tuko bapeza umusayi n'ingiri nabyamo kunabyagire chairman yaragira pawo yambinga uyambije na mutwaro koti namusimba koti yaragira ngumva ntamuro kwaje with effect chairman we kurachiraha kawe yapemba ntamuro ntamuro injire assigning atenzire chairman yaragira ngo ntakaruka umuntu video yona jina na kwa file zinasema iza kujikwasa ubyeshimira kwa kitabu mu byabayo umuntu ukunda uruhaso bakahereza bakaroketinga miliyoni 9 ngakoresha miliyoni 3 miliyoni 3 imitwaro 508 yo kumina balance ile chairman ile na dinka engineer ikakoroka jana bakabaroketije miliyoni 68 na koresha miliyoni 3 imitwaro 5 yo kumini esende zine engineer nao bakafuna amwese bagiye kuwezwa bakatwara kusheja kwa kusanga senza petrol station za kuwezwa zitakufaina kwa senza kwa kwenda hapa amwese kama tractor utramajilela na bakashawa batamuache amwese bagini ibandi kombina sawa za kukwasa appointment ya jana ile chama na iba pia na jambo tarajibi apeleza kalifaa kayambia wano kayambia posting yawe shino jira kuti kurfenga ko pareta kali bityo ngo sekanto yinga rwero yantoyinga na jinja ninyi na gira muntu wakabiri umugorere kusinga jinja hati wono jo kanya kutinga mabure eseka niyo turozinde sebo urekaze
ona jya gukora wenka we kunkana amateka kugenda kureba kwa transfer kandi aho minister namusimba kumuntu kwa transfer ukija kugambira minister ngo akisharemo kujana akisharemo n'uwaje kutireyo icyo tumura umugwanda nese cyo kushaba no kugira ngo abakozi aba basitame baze gukora tari ibindi byakushaga baze gukora bagore imirimo yabo so nabwo icyo yo ni integateka ugumara mwana n'umurungi munonga kokati nyowo egifight yona ni mangute kujya kungwata because I'm being forced abwenshonga yo kukarakata abantu hata aba bantu bano baraba contract aba nani impurana bagamba yo ni nyenda and corruption is Here's the report. Recently, I have blacklisted 4 companies. Mubuze. Omuntar kujana bona blacklisting. Wanye tigereza. That's why you want to understand. Manyono muntu narga na posting and center account yawo. Icho yanda na chumati manyani yumazi niriyari konke niza kuchondoza then you know exactly eche cha irrigation ne actually ejo nyoni yona areba ngo niyoshe me kuchondoza kumanya ukizira konke bebinde binani ndeba manya imbuto manyabia ngo baze kuchondoza bachondoza iki hata road te report tusibaho kasika tu interdict injeri nanga engineer ijati kanito tumwe interdict injeri icyo twetaga tuze kufuna baramu cyacho basi so yoni nsima baramu yiza nawe yahareba actually cyana semerwa yanje atkonka nareba ho politics zamani yayetana ko yamjatagambira abakozi barwo mu politics umuntu nogiro otanga ngo ba promote njo umuntu amazere myezesha emyaka eshatu because it take very clear no bazana umare emyaka eshatu mba promoting kandi moment umuntu yamare emyaka eshatu biyo maziriga no mu service ubundi izo ine mwena cyaragera ngo niyo barahe because we don't follow the order of mercy okumwatahira umusavice wajetegereza so let's investigate ukumucyo narana buroga aha ngomuruma kagugura hatogwe ni nyanda bacondoze baje ngo akazi tuza kumbingaho ejo ni no inja kutuza kumutwara if it is proved njye manyiza ngomuruma guyatwire akata korofayinga gutwara akagaba guzira. Are you right? They disqualify her, we advertise. So now gecho ibintu ababiye mu mshaga shagu. Wachetegereza. Icho jara ngo account manyabia echo I'm very happy. Minister yija abantu imbajango baramu yakomu ingwese ne waho mushiti agenda. Babize ngo akiriya yaza kuraba hariya ako yabirebere nabyo mutubira umuho muntu nataba mwene kamukama ayayemerera hariya rokombekenzo mukishara hato izere kwe hababera hato kogwe no mujuru dinjara wabireba so tsanja no siripu niza kubekwatara njya kubekwatara njya kubekwatara ha tuba kwetaga kujya ngo niza kubiyahandi njya kubekwatara mbesire obar kwenda kukora nitwe atakwenda jiriki agende nangwe no go wapuruchwa mente nabatayi babo akubejo arogation ina ura nergo mpuruchwa menti and I know the reason do njya kubakwatamu nija ko mugahuri chairman achereza bora bintu uki urubanza so atogo mucyera kugira ngo umuruma kagukura atajya mutarwine nambwe nwategerezeho she will stand to test so atogwe manere ndingo nahurana bagamba bagende bafe nawe ariyo business ze ayinara insinsiye kora abeno bamayango mageze gabona make that's their business waje tinguza kuruganga chairman kaza kwirukanga uza kwirukomba manere nda abiyo abo muntu ayeshomero yino ubwenge wa yetwari haronke jonga inareba he amwana wanje Fred kandi watu we Fred bambe yayitera kimwe Fred kote kamubinga rusorusore hariye kamubinga nchakarera mwe kaonyenda musindike nankeji nyakaza batingu mwenda wa nagambira na minister namugera oguwa gambo ogunchekara gende abo kuba kote kambinga kote hariya ekagera ngo bakamupromotinga bamukora machine operator atakurufayinga bamunya ngutumugarra yabire wachireba so hata abantu bareke manya ye government dijorani injera force amateka kujorani injera emotions ya nicho kurebera district nkeje ikanotaraho kugidi yingo kagitwara umukoti ningachwareba aho mu scenario tempopora ngo bakamuhereza appointment umwaka gwe 12 ngo abe focal person immunization yes bakajikwaburiya kugato bakakwihaho icyo nacyo tutafunanka hariho directive ya permanent secretary ministry of health ari kugera ngo focal persons ba key projects batekwe kuba bari ba ADHO ninga DHO hatoriya no manansa turazache yare kuriya rero nabona na yikorre popranareta so rabwe cyabo byo kuzana twaturiye yo kurwanisa corruption by the way twitaka kwitegereza amateka umanyunga gamba ki abantu dealing nabo bachetegereza koko minister yakora umurimo gwe yagera ki allegations bazumuhire because nanga nejangu to expose him and he has exposed so koko cho echin you need to investigate ebi byamanya akakiiko ka paaka manya there was conflict of interest manya omukuronda ba minister there was a conflict hati china kundagira ngo mperezo bwa minister wo kwenda ndiye kuteka ebinkwenda banyita de watire chamanero C5 owentebe yabweza echo kubanza nyenda kusima bara mu kwija kataya exposinga aha kuba hari corruption bakacondoza byakuba nibiyetaga kucondozwa konkima bakundeba nyara kubaganda yowede onturu musutwa gwahabuwe that's why nagambira minister kandi minister ningera kwarabe ya rutaho umutima naja kubyetegera cyo namugambira ngo myaka yanjye 5 basize ku investigating kozinga interdiction y'abantu okutanga mukaga nati engineering department yona uriyo mu interdiction kokati ekizibeche urutayo rwa bara mu riyo ndugera n'abantu kurutati mu politics bose ko arebe cyakiriya atece cyandiko cya leta cyo kubanza ne cya polisi ne cyo muntu ece cyana shomaho natutawari gesho ko gamwe kware yazitaho there is no problem because nora yagera ngo MP yagire ninzu bagana na ba engineer duire zezembuto chairman achondozwe nora yagera ngo yene contractor ubuna koragine nawe business shanangahi akampa miliyoni 14 noreba byona ibibagamba nabandi yuanoreba urutaro ukurwa ry'umuhoro abantu abingi wabanoreba ngo n'umuntu ari kwija kuhereza okimplicating omuntu nachereta in bad faith. I can give an example. Kona beberaro kwemerera akagera ngo nyo mukazi ngo nkashara amajyana g'abantu naga reducinga aha amajyana gabo with due respect ngandi procurement nkabandi ndikawoshi hati wagambo tumkache amana kai nebedi y'amajyani yakigusa kandi icyo tingwenda kuchya kana ubuzumukuzi nkanye umchara kai nebedi ziriza family twazikora z'amajyani twazikuza nk'uko abantu baguze ministry yije ya verifying ati amajyana ako bamuhereze mfatani kubagira abandi ya supplying kurunogera muno bagera mutaragatireyo that would be an issue ko kato umuntu akataya amajyani cyo naburuza honorable muce abanyabuzarebe bakabara umuntu supply honorable raro mukazi we namahara bakabara honorable orva katwesije akabarumu so echikurete ejo business eketa nkeje ya district itkwera hotendazi bakambagura bed z'abantu izo babekingere tukusuguza government so mboshate echo nacho nchetaga real ngiye muri Instagram bije kucondo uzecho so nyoni ndekateka the good chance hat baba banje aba politics ejo group aba bimturenye sinde nabo bakugera ngo kandi kabayemba gera ngo bankwa kandi wa nduhomanyi kandi aho muri ubuwezi nyonyenda ngambira twashora twangwa kuba muntu nomwe ahubwo kuba ibintu byo niba leta biri besiri reka bagende bacondoze because for example hato umuntu yakugera ngo akubata nareba ariye statement ibambangambira ngo bakatahesini statement kuba ragindete nagereba namanyano wazireho akona uri umuntu uvaje ngo hadije sana nakagera yuti nkumanya kuba raje ngo akazerete ninza kumanya zigabanzerete kunda then I explain ako sente kungu bana zitungira ako batukunya mutitunga sente really waza account yanje you receive money ya business with very many people when you tigereza so mutu ya basi kureba in statement I must substantiate tu nite ko kwemanya waya giro mu account yanje kuzaza kuronda yo statements zanje akaine rusaki akohoreza ubwa yo konke byona nibukorora aha mars and I have seen everywhere it is just a matter of mercy. So nyoni ntekateka abanyabuweju bahumuri turyomu ebintu bikozere district n'umugereba babemba jya mugetero mwena hati tumwarabo tumwagere bishaba mbatero rwara WhatsApp manyabayino atubare echamuheru nechabakozo ba government kwete kom politics abamenareba
seeking to undertake district works unrated with exclusion from district business unless they provide money in form of bribes to the district chairperson. Such allegation, if established, could constitute serious misconduct and corruption that undermines public procurement and service delivery. A case in point of 14 million shilling that the chairman received on his bank account number 3201 14 73 35 held in Zenere Bank from one of the contractors in the district. The bank slip is attached. This contractor had been offered a contract to supply the district with building material to education department. The situation has threatened a great number of contractors from coming to work in the district. He further invites a number of contractors to his office held at his home in his city town council, Buwen district, and threatens them that he will blacklist them if they don't give him money. These contractors can be reached and they can attest to this if protection is granted to them. Fear of reprisal, like one of the contractors already reached out and he has been protected, but then investigation has to be done to get the bank deposit slip for the said money on the account of the chairperson. Conflict of interest in supply of seedlings. It is alleged that the district chairperson's wife supplied 934,000 seedlings valued at approximately 373 million shilling through a delegated procurement arrangement under the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industries and Fisheries in the financial year 2022-2023. The evidence is attached as Annex B1. Shows one of the documents on which the chairman and his wife appended their signatures. This raises concerns about the possible conflict of interest and possible non-compliance with the Leadership Code Act and Public Procurement, Disposal of Public Assets, CAP 205. I respectfully request your office to establish whether the district chairperson, that is now I'm asking CID and corruption and IDG, establish whether the chairperson declared personal interest and participated in any procurement related to the decision, or otherwise improperly benefited directly or indirectly from the transactions. Number 3, conflict of interest in the composition of district executive committee. The composition of the district service executive committee was delivered to place Orojo Road were partially worked. Isingiro Road in Buhunga has never graded, yet funds were released. In 2025-2026 financial year, maintenance of 6-kilometer roads in Insig reportedly consumed 70 million. Just maintenance of 6 kilometers of roads in Insig Town Council reportedly consumed 70 million. Cow, can you give me the work plan for the roads in Buweju the last financial year? Out of an available budget of 113 million. Yet there is no satisfactory accountability for the remaining balance. The example illustrated the recurring pattern where large sums of public funds are allocated, only fiction is reflected in actual roads, and the balance remain inadequate, explained. Sources of part of this information is district machine operators, and others are willing to attest to this. And already we have their videos and testimony on video. We don't have those evidence. You are there? Yes, stand up.
Of your ministry, we ask that under public service standing orders, otuyambe to interdicting abantu baruge mu mulimu zabo kumara over 6 months, also kuja utukore investigations. Tulikushaba Honorable Minister, Deputy Kao Katamba Tiswizan tuminterdictinge ayemereo emirimu zeye tukore kunonyereza afari yeye. Turashaba Production Officer Shemerire Flavia as stepping aside for interdiction atuyambe tukore investigations zira kwata ebintu byokushashura sente za majani g'abantu. turashaba district health officer Madam Atukunda Prudence tumuinterdicting a stepping aside to allowing to collect investigations habiragambibwa ngo one arakozesa amani geye okunyiriza abantu ba midwives kandi akoleza transfers bahiza kumushashura sente kiragambibwa ngo John byamukama John assistant nursing officer akakozesa ebihandiko bitahikirire kurono umurimo gweye turashaba tuminterdicting tutandike file yeye Musime Lilian tusasire Julian ba midwives bakaba appointing emyezi 8 after the process turashaba ngo ba interdicting turebe file yabo kandi kore independent investigations katusabe Aurelia assistant nursing officer nitushaba interdiction turebe ekiragambirwa wakakozesa ebihandiko bitari correct Gaston uwa wagambireho ugende mu masho Gaston ni SAS kandi ni TC wansika turashaba ngo tukore investigations akiragambirwa town clerk turenda gukora investigation kiragambirwa documents ziyahire mu process ya recruitment zikazikakire so tukumene bolinga tukoreba investigations ngiyakoreba ibihandiko byabikire turashaba kwa stepping aside tukore independent investigations. Further on turashaba Mr. Twino Muhozi Gilbert senior education assistant teacher of Katara PS a stepping aside akiragambirwa ngo kihaho sente habantu ayenda kubaraganisa emirimo so turashaba ngo stepping aside for interdiction tukore independent investigations. District physical planner turashaba ngo stepping aside for investigations akiragambirwa bakombeka mu swamp kandi hari physical planning office mu district. Turashaba internal auditor Twino Mugisho Charles nawe stepping aside for investigations turebe processes zabire ara actualizinga ninga audits zabire akora hakiragambirwa ngo habireho inshonga nyinshi mu district kandi ya sanctioning ninga tine cyakora harizo nshonga. Honorable Minister turashaba abantu bona tuba interdicting immediately tutandike file and independent investigations. Thank you, Honorable Minister.
Ndio wa mahuri utafai tandika na mazina gabo tandika
amazina gange ndayimvuze katuwo mu rubutoru harimo buzuhu umwe nosanga n'ibina kitabo kwate korire bitoke teganisubwamu shanga hizwiro mu amizi ukiterame pikiya FTP uyikorire bitoke picerara ubwo mizi ebitoke byawo bitunga mu butandu ubutakibyiha musende nane kindi ubire byahwireho rukaba rukubi munonga bizire bateratereza muhatiya kana bwe tubaterize mukurungi ntugenda konka tugenda ntuteganisubwa necha kandi rufunzire ukibugana mukatrera inga nkamotoka uteganisubwa ukiza kujiguza ekona ogwa ibitoke byawo biba byasisikara orugutoru azuzenga nakwitegereza amasiko gorugutoru nyowe nkaza kuzarwa narushanga rya nteka ninga rya haprani yo kugira ngo orugutoru nubaza kurutera koransi konkana nazire oruguto turwakakorirwe mwena amasiko turinka batagi abatakigine tukahona amani ya buhweju twineyo ebintu bikubasa gobese tawuni kandi nkebitoke nkebi twineyo efeza twineyo umwenti hinga y'amasaza ariye bihimba mwene byo busubuzi ebintu birubuhweju konka abwe ntambura umwe no shanga nko muhinji nagwamu shanga umutuwe nagoba konka naho kukirabya mwene mbera etangwe
mazina ya Rwita Robeni ndabuhweju yone rubuto bigini yanangwa n'ikindi konka mwenu abanyiteka biza kubikora bambaza konka mwenu twine mebizo byingi cyo kubanza umutoru mebyina bakageza ho nkwe barabya mecyoma cyashara konka ekizibe kiruho munonga harugutoru barartire chorus barartire nanka maramu bakashara baheza bagenda nangwite tukaba tutekateka ngo baza kufata mu maramu konka maramu baragitira mbaka bagezeho nango kurashara muje konka kana maramu kikabe kizuba hagwanjura hakarabaho mu motoka araba mu motoka nkishatu zikora tini hati ne bacakacaka yitwa bapikino butakira abamentu wene zibaza bintu ngene bono make akugera abo kuba kandi tekateka ngo gora siriboneza ku nangwa baza bagira ngo ubwezi no mwanya mbi manyanguru mukona nyingi manyashi konka mbwenu amasuko twine make ahabukuba noreba ubwire bwa baburimba